What we're looking at right now is the demolition of the east wing of the K-25 building. This is the largest demo in the complex and will remain the largest demo in the complex, seeing the K-25 building is 44 acres under roof. The west wing has been successfully demolished and U-Corps come on site, and the work is proceeding faster than our current schedule. We're almost about a quarter of a mile. A building has been demolished and the debris has been disposed of. At the rate we're moving, we should have the east wing non-tech demolished by summertime. One of U-Corps' core beliefs was that we pack as we go. So in other words, when we demolish a section of building, right behind the demo crew is the waste transportation group, and they sort, size reduce, and load the equipment.
Most of the debris goes in these dump trucks you see going by. The components themselves, the great big pieces of equipment that in there, they go on flatbed trailers. And we were shipping 2, and then we figured out, one of our engineers figured out how to put 3 pieces of equipment on a trailer. And so that obviously increased our efficiency a lot.
I don't try to ever micromanage my guys. I try to work. My belief is give the guys an understanding of what needs to go on. Let them integrate their ideas as it's happening. And if it's anything too radical, then they'll get with me. We'll go decide from there, maybe throw it in some of the upper management slabs, see what they have to say about it. If they like it, then we go with it.
I work close proximity with the craft trades out here, orchestrating the cycle in which the building comes down, organizing the demolition field so Tom can get his trucks out. We have 15 pieces of heavy equipment here, including a 385 UHD with approximately a 40 meter reach. It's a 3-member machine, and it's the teardown machine. It takes it down, and concrete processors come up behind it, remove the concrete, and we have support machines to get it to the areas where we load it out and bring it to the landfill.
We've picked up more drivers. We got 27 drivers total. We picked up 4 from 1070B, when that project was over with. And currently right now, we're doing about 70 shipments a day, which is about 280 shipments a week.
So that way, demo could move faster than actual packaging up the waste, but using this sequencing event, it makes sure that we don't get ahead of ourselves. The job's not done until all the waste is disposed of. So just because we demolish the building, it has a great optical impact that the building's down, but it's really what's crucial and important is to make sure that we get all the waste resulting from the demolition properly disposed of. There are 3 groups of people that have been involved in this project. There were the ones in 1943 that were constructing it. There were those that operated it, and we have been chosen to demolish this building. We're here today at the K-25 demo front, and these are the guys right here that are making this happen.
Some of these operators that you see on the equipment, we have a lot of equipment working in a congested area. These guys have all worked together for maybe 15 years, and they talk to each other on radios while they're working so they can anticipate. It's kind of like a team that's been together for a long time, not a bunch of free agents that came together.
I inherited these guys around me when we got here. Great group of guys, great workers, great workforce, and they're the ones that have made this happen.
Well, all the guys kind of work together real well as a team. Everybody does really their part and looks out for the other guy also. So you got a lot of eyes. I mean, that's how we've been able to achieve a 0 accident record ever since the demolition started.
It poses a risk to the environment, poses a risk to the workers inside. So it's crucial that we accelerate this project and get it completed. And there's not a whole more I can say to give the workers a lot of kudos for the work that they're doing.